Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
And we have to
So,
refer textbook, ma'am.
sorry, dear.
We have to take out our textbooks for this
No, no,
chapter.
because not only from the textbook, I'm just covering first very important topics because you have to understand. Okay.
Yes.
Usually in your textbook, you people are having activities. After that, we are going through
Okay.
this textbook. First, you have to understand what is the meaning of nutrition. Okay. So there is a
Okay.
different type of. Okay. So I think you all have finished your test. Please submit and back to the topic. Please back to the topic. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have to start my class. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, now this is all about nutrition in plants, which we are going to
Yes.
start today. Okay, as you know that plants are autotrophic in nature. What is the meaning of autotrophs? Do you know?
Ma'am, ma'am, I know, ma'am, a little bit about autotrophs.
Okay, what is the meaning of autotrophs?
Ma'am, there are two types, ma'am, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are the
Heterotrophs.
components in which, yes, ma'am,
Heterotrophs.
I have completed.
autotrophs need, they are not
Ma'am,
dependent on others,
Okay,
ma'am. They are
please
dependent on
submit those who
their
have
own food.
finished.
They prepare their own food, ma'am.
ma'am, I
Autotrophs.
have completed.
Okay, please submit and back to the class.
Ma'am, autotrophs prepare their own
Hello,
food.
ma'am.
Autotrophs are preparing their own food.
Yes,
Heterotrophs,
heterotrophs, they
Yes. When we
depend
are
on
going to
others, ma'am.
see, when we are going to see the nutrition all over the world, because this is the sign of nutrition means eating something. Okay. So nutrition is the sign of
Ma'am.
living bodies. Only living bodies can have their food.
Living means.
Only living bodies need food. So when we are speaking about nutrition, nutrition can be categorized into two different ways. Okay, you can see here two different types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and
Excuse me,
heterotrophic
ma'am.
nutrition. Please don't talk in between.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Class 7, who is making sound, please? Okay, because in this way everyone will be distracted. Okay, please. So now back to the topic again. Nutrition are of two types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Keep it in your mind. What is the meaning of autotrophic nutrition? Okay,
Can I tell, ma'am?
the, yes, the living bodies which are making their own food by their own. The living bodies, those who are making their food by their own, they are called as autotrophs. And the mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. Okay,
Okay.
but some living bodies cannot make their food. Like animals, like human beings, they cannot make their own food. We can prepare in our kitchen, but we cannot prepare our food inside our body. So that type
Yes.
of organisms are called as heterotrophs, and the type
Yes, ma'am.
of nutrition is called as heterotrophic nutrition. Hopefully you understand about autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means the organism which can make their own food by their own, they are called as heterotrophs, and that type of or that mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition, like plants. All the plants are producers because they are making food for all over the world, all over the
Okay.
living bodies. Okay, that is why plants are called as producers. Okay, when we are going to see at autotrophs or autotrophic nutrition can be divided to two different type of nutrition, that is phototrophic nutrition and chemotrophic nutrition. While this heterotrophic nutrition can be divided into holozoic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiotic nutrition, and saprophytic nutrition. Okay, we are going to discuss sorry about this autotrophic nutrition. Again, the same thing. Autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Okay, so we, as you know, that our main topic is nutrition in plants. So we will focus on autotrophic nutrition. Everyone got it? Means clear it is? Autotrophic
Yes, yes.
nutrition means?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Okay, those who are making their own food, like plants, those who are producers. So
But ma'am, what are the
autotrophic,
two types?
yes, autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in plant, which is the basic mode of nutrition in plants, they can be divided into two different types, like photoautotrophic nutrition, chemoautotrophic nutrition. Okay, so what is this photoautotrophic nutrition? All the green plant, those who are having chlorophyll in their bodies, they are conducting this photoautotrophic nutrition, like purple, green, and red bacteria. These all are, they all are having this photoautotrophic nutrition. While this chemoautotrophic nutrition, usually nitrifying bacteria, some iron bacteria, some sulfur bacteria, different types of bacteria. When we are discussing about in some session, I'll just keep session for bacteria and all. So there we can
Okay.
discuss. So now you can keep it in your mind that autotrophic mode of nutrition in plant, they are having two different types,
Okay.
photoautotrophic and chemoautotrophic nutrition. Okay, then
Okay, ma'am.
where it all happens, this photoautotrophic nutrition, all green plants. Means whatever plants you people are observing around you green. So keep it in your mind, they are having photoautotrophic nutrition. Even some purple, green and red bacteria. While
Ma'am, we can
chemoautotrophic
copy this.
nutrition, sorry,
We can write this in our notebooks or no need to write.
I think we are going to send these all classes. Live classes are coming, I think. You people are getting maths class. If you need, you can write in your books because it will not be available in your textbook. I specially make for you
Ma'am,
these all.
only maths life classes are coming, ma'am.
Okay, so definitely I'm also going to send. If you people really interested, definitely I'm going to send these classes.
Ma'am, on Google Classroom, ma'am, we will write.
Yes, in Google Classroom, I'll just going to send
Yes,
this
ma'am.
all
Send some text.
recordings, okay? So easily, because now if you are writing and you're listening, so it is not possible for you. That copy down also and you just listen to your teacher. So it's not possible. So just better way, I'm going to send in Google Classroom, okay? So now,
Okay, ma'am, this whole presentation can you send,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am?
yes, definitely this all presentation I'm going to send, okay? Now the next, photoautotrophic nutrition and chemoautotrophic nutrition. Photoautotrophic nutrition, when you are going to see this in this type, usually organisms prepare by their food by their own in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay, and this process is called as photoautotrophic. Okay,
Okay.
are this process, the process of making their food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, it is called as photosynthesis. Okay, so usually this process is called specially photoautotrophic to specify that
Good morning,
participation
ma'am.
in sunlight. Why we are calling this type of new mode of nutrition as a photoautotrophic nutrition? Because photo means, when you are seeing the word photo means, sorry, photo means light. This word photo is there, no? Autotrophic, automatically they are preparing their food inside their body. Auto
Okay.
means they are making inside their body. So when light is involved during the process of food, yes, preparation of food.
Light,
So
ma'am.
that type of process is called as photoautotrophic. Why? Because the sunlight is participating as an energy source. Okay. So usually some bacteria and some algae and some, if you will observe around you after the rainy season, definitely you people are observing that some green color algae is growing in your parking areas. You people are observing?
Yes, ma'am.
How
Yes,
many of
ma'am.
you?
Especially in gardens, ma'am.
Kanjal, like that, no? We usually in
Yes,
local
ma'am.
language,
On water
Kanjal,
surfaces.
Kai, like this only we are calling. Okay?
Ma'am,
But
where there is more water, it will happen, ma'am.
yes, wherever, yes,
Ma'am, in
where,
Nehru Zoological Park also we can see, ma'am.
yes, you can see in that particular area around you, outside, wherever too much
Yes,
water is
ma'am.
there, no?
Many times.
So automatically what will happen, that that particular area is having algae. And algae will get energy from the sunlight and small. So
Ma'am, how
actually that,
algae is produced?
yes, algae is produced with a, with, okay, you can. Okay, so this is a plant. This is a plant. So with the help of this process of photosynthesis, they are growing because they are producers. They are providing actually food for others. Okay, so this small area will be called as an ecosystem. If you suppose nowadays it's very common in so many areas that water is accumulating in particular areas, so you can go and see that that particular area is not only having water and mosquitoes and all these things, but on the sides you can see green color. Okay, that green color is
Yes,
nothing
ma'am.
but algae. Okay, this algae, how they will grow, because they get suitable or favorable environment for them. Food is available, water is available, soil is available, and beside this sunlight. And as the sunlight will come, so they start making their food with the help of this photosynthesis. Okay, so now you understand, hopefully you understand about this photoautotrophic nutrition. Okay, the next nutrition, as
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see in this diagram, yes, in this pictures different, that these are the sulfur
Yes.
bacteria. Usually you will, people will cannot see these bacteria in front of you with your naked eyes. You have to use special instrument that
We
is
need
called as
compound microscope,
microscope.
ma'am.
Yes, you have to use microscope, and usually the microscope, we are having different type of lenses in that particular microscope and different type of objectives in that particular microscope. So if you will get a chance, if we are conducting inshallah soon our physical classes, and if it is available in our school, so definitely I'm going to show you this microscope, how you can observe in microscope.
And
Okay,
when are the physical classes starting?
that is no idea so far, because until or unless the government has not announced, so we cannot do anything. So that till that time, I'm giving how much I can give you the extra information. Okay, if you will
Okay,
go through
ma'am.
your book, this is not there in your books. But I want that my children will be a step up. Means you will be more and you will get more and more knowledge.
More advanced, ma'am.
Yes, more advanced and
More
more
advanced.
yes. So for that only I'm just giving extra knowledge. I'm making extra PPTs, PowerPoint presentations for you, that it will be interesting
Okay.
for you. Okay. Now this is all about the sulfur bacteria and iron bacteria, which you can see in this,
Okay.
because we are can see only under the microscope. Now other type of nutrition, that is called as chemoautotrophic nutrition.
Yes.
In this type of nutrition you will see the organism can produce their food by the help of chemical energy. Here you can see the energy source is sunlight. Here you will see that energy source is chemicals. Okay, this nutrition is available in dawn also. Even if there is no sun, you can see, you can get this energy. Some type of plants you will see that those who are making their food with the help of chemicals. Okay, so the common example, usually nitrifying bacteria and nitrobacters, nitrosomes. Okay, because it is usually when you will reach in colleges and you will opted biology or microbiology, like that things, as your major subject, then you will study a lot on this. But I'm going to, sorry,
Ma'am, we have to relog.
Ayan, can you please mute your sound?
Ma'am, we have to relog in.
Okay, Ayan,
Ma'am,
just
we have to relog.
no need to relog in. Okay, you will not relog in.
Okay.
Okay, as the time finish, you can leave the
Ma'am,
class.
I
Okay,
got 10 out of 10.
very good. Who got 10 out of 10?
Salman.
Salman. Wow, very good.
In what,
Okay,
ma'am?
so Mohammed Bashari, Salman, and Khatija, three are the toppers. Okay, so for first, okay, then Ayan, yes, then Zeba Rizvi second, and Ayan is third. Okay, now back to this topic. Then heterotrophic nutrition, I'm just giving this different type of nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition can be divided into three different uh, types. You can see holozoic nutrition and sapro saprophytic nutrition and parasitic nutrition. Okay, usually the organism, those who are feed by ingesting solid organic matter, which is then digested and absorbed into their bodies. Usually, like we all are holozoic. We, as a human being, if you will see, we are taking the mode of nutrition which we people are using, that is a holozoic nutrition. Everyone understand where we are taking the suppose you are taking raw form, you are taking the solid form of bread or rice or chapati or whatever things. So this organic matter will be going inside your body and it has to be digested and absorbed by your intestine. So that type or that mode of nutrition by which you people are taking the big or solid form of food, or you have to ingest and then digest, that type of nutrition is called as holozoic nutrition, like human beings, insectivorous plants are, and animals. Okay, now the second one, saprophyte. Actually saprophytes are the organism which are feed on dead bodies and decaying matter. Usually when somebody is dying, some cockroaches, some insect, animals, human beings. Okay, so please, who is making noise? Who is making
No,
noise?
ma'am.
I want pin drop
Ma'am, you
silence.
mute everyone.
No, no, I will not mute. You have to be there. Everyone should have this etiquette that you people are sitting in the class. You're not in your home. The feeling should come, even though you people are not in front of me physically. But I feel that yes, this is the classroom. I'm your teacher. I'm sitting in that way that yes, I'm in the classroom, right? So I want from my children, you are my class, and I want each and every one of you that you will be the best here. Okay, you will organize by your own. Nobody will say again and again and again that you have to make like this, you have to make like this. No, you have to organize by your own. You're in the classroom. No one will say, okay dear, I will not mute anyone. Okay, you will be organized, you will be disciplined. Okay dear, thank you so much. Okay, now continue with this, the saprophytic mode of nutrition, that is feed on dead bodies, like some bacteria. Usually they are, because you people are seeing that so many graveyards are there since last many years, since last many thousand years. And if you will open any grave like Khabristan, okay, and if you are going and checking
Yes.
in the grave, there is no bodies. Okay, why there is no bodies? Because no one
Bones
will
are
take
left, no, ma'am.
कब्रिस्तान में से डेड बॉडीज को ऊपर नहीं ले लेते गए. What do you think? Somebody is catching up? Bodies कहाँ चली जाती है?
No, ma'am.
So who is taking that
But
body?
ma'am, what about the
Soil
bones?
absorbs.
It will
Decay.
Ma'am,
will
it
Ma'am,
decomposes,
decay.
soil
ma'am.
will absorb the body.
Ma'am, it will decompose with soil.
Yes, very good word. Decomposition will be there. Okay, the body will be decomposed. Means what? That all the bacteria, insects. Okay, first the insects and then the bacteria will be decompose that particular human body or animal body or plant body, and it will become the part of that particular soil. Okay, and that soil will be very much fertile for the growth of different plants. So this is the way you can see that this is a cycle, that dead bodies will finish. They will be food for the next plant. Then plants we are eating, animals are eating. Then the human body and animal body will be dying, and then the cycle will be continued. Okay, so this is all about a saprophytic mode of nutrition. Yes. Now the next one is parasitic mode of nutrition. Usually in this type of nutrition, the organism obtains nutrients from living organism usually. The parasite obtain nutrients by living on or in the body of the host. Can you please give me one example? If you understand
Yes, ma'am.
parasitic mode of nutrition, can you please give me? Did you see any example in your
Ma'am,
house where you feel that yes, parasitic mode of nutrition is going on? That is the parasite.
mosquitoes.
Yes, very good, Bashadik. Okay, the very
Yes.
common example is mosquitoes. Okay, if suppose
Ma'am, house fly.
house fly, no, why house fly we cannot say? Because in mosquito, actually the mosquito is only a vehicle. It's only a carrier. Okay, they will only carry. And what they are going to carry? Small microorganism that is called as plasmodium. Okay, if you will see mosquitoes, so
Again,
all the
blood.
mosquitoes, yes, all the mosquitoes are not sucking blood and causing malaria and all this thing. No, only the infected mosquito and especially female mosquito, Anopheles
Female
mosquito,
mosquito.
female,
Ma'am, backward.
sorry. Okay, so only female Anopheles mosquito is causing problem if the particular mosquito is sucking blood from infected person, those who are having already malaria. So it will carry that plasmodium and sending to the other or injecting to the other person where this mosquitoes bites are going on. Okay, so this is called as parasite. So very important thing, the difference between saprophytic and parasitic mode of nutrition. Saprophytic type of organism, they are taking their food in dead bodies, from the dead body. But in parasitic mode of nutrition, you can see the organism is taking all their nutrients from the live body, living body. Okay, they are getting all the food, so that plasmodium is going inside the body of human being during the process of malaria, and they start life cycle. One life cycle is complete in the human body and the other life cycle will complete in the mosquito's body. Okay, so this is all about the parasitic. Okay, in front of you I just show this very interesting
Animals
plant that
are
is
animals are.
insectivorous. Yes, they are called as insectivorous. You know, I'm going to show
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes,
Venus
hopefully we are
fly
They
going to
bite
flies.
see.
humans.
Yes, yeah, I will prepare. I'll just arrange one video for you, and live you will see that how these plants are. They are called as insectivorous. Those who are eating insects. Okay, so plants also eating insects. So those who are eating insect, they will open this their doors like this. This insect will be going inside, and then they quickly they will close that door. And
Yes, ma'am.
after that, this plants are, because these plants cannot make their own food, so they are dependent on these animals.
Excuse
It's
me,
very
ma'am.
interesting. They are called as carnivorous plants or insectivorous plants. Okay. Now
Okay.
autotrophic and heterotrophs, there what is the difference? That
Ma'am,
autotrophs
we have
are,
to rejoin.
no need to rejoin.
Ma'am, only 1 minute left.
Okay, till that
We
time.
have to rejoin.
Okay, so better I'll
Yes,
just
then we
go
have to
yes,
rejoin, ma'am.
yes. I'm going to stop here because I have to continue next week from this part only. Okay, so yes, I'm going to stop here, and hopefully you understand. Please submit your task,
We are
and
on
those who
train to
have
rejoin,
not
ma'am.
complete their
Bye, ma'am.
To return, ma'am.
inquiry, yes, project inquiry, because project inquiry carries 5 hours. Please don't lose your 5 hours. Okay, see, you get very good
Bye, bye,
marks in your
Sabri.
test.